Choices we make and chances we take.
In baptism, what the child receives is faith. But faith is a personal response to God. Kaya yung mga Protestant sabi, ba't binibili ka ng bata, hindi pa naman nakakasagot for himself? Kasi nga, personal response eh. That is the role of the parents, ninongs and ninangs, that you are standing on behalf of the child, you answer for him, that the faith he receives in baptism will grow and mature because of your help.
And wonder anymore. When the morning breaks, we won't hesitate. It's the first day, it's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here.
Before ko nalaman na buntis ako, 2 times ko nadinig yung verse about do not be afraid. So, let be this day na lagi maaalala na do not be afraid because we believe in God's promise and always remember na nandito kami ng parents mo, your mommy and daddy, to hold in you, to hug you, to kiss you every time that you feel afraid.
Words we say, and it makes us sure we're never letting go.
Ako din ang wish ko, maging healthy ka and lumaki kang God-fearing and lagi kami kasama mo along the way and kahit anong hirap ng buhay, kakayanin natin.
Story starts here. Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here. Our story ends, our story ends, our story ends, our story, our story ends, our story ends, our story ends, our story.
Ako, not sure kung iahag mo pa rin si mommy, kikis mo pa rin si mommy, baka may crush ka na or may girlfriend ka na. Kapag naman mo to, 18 years old ka na or naiintindihan mo na, yun na nga yung nangyari ngayong araw na to. So, ngayong araw na to, kasama ka na sa Christian world, you're a Catholic now, just like your mom and dad. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na this is your first sacrament and sa lahat, sa marriage mo, sure na laging kasama mo kami ng parents.
Our story starts here.